So for this project, what we did is we tried to add a little bit of curb appeal to the front of the house. The existing house, it was just a log home. We added the front porch and we added the gable detail on top of the existing roof. And we tried to tie the two features together so it would be one cohesive unit. For inside the front porch, we incorporated western red cedar for the ceiling, and also we put flagstone for the patio surface or for the porch floor. This is a room that we designed to be an existing family room or flex space, but also a room that could be turned into a master suite in the future. The clients wanted to be able to age in place and have a first floor master suite that they can use. In the meantime, it is a family room or a flex space, and we were able to create a bathroom as well. And with the bathroom, we do have some aging in place features. One of the key features is a curbless shower. So we wanted to have easy entrance in and out of the shower. Here we are in an area that was above the garage. Existing, it was an unfinished attic. We went ahead and added a floor system. We added a shed dormer to the back and also a gable dormer to the front. And by adding the additional space, we were able to create a shop for her to do her stained glass. And also we created a wood shop for Mr. Thornton to handle woodworking projects.
A wonderful job has been done,
Yeah,
that is for sure, from design to completion.
Really,
very well done.
Really good design work initially that allowed it to happen, that's for sure.